Let me show you how to make this super moist apple cinnamon cake that makes your kitchen smell absolutely amazing. This loaf cake is sweet, packed with apple chunks, and has warm cinnamon sugar swirls in every bite. To make this apple cinnamon cake, start by cracking 2 large eggs into a mixing bowl. Then add half a teaspoon of vanilla extract and 100 grams of granulated sugar. Use an electric mixer to beat it for about 3 to 4 minutes until it looks lighter in color and a little foamy on top. Next, add 113 grams of unsalted and melted butter into the egg mixture. Just make sure it is not too hot. Then pour in 120 milliliters of milk. Mix again with the electric mixer just until everything looks smooth and creamy. This usually takes about 20 to 30 seconds. Next, take a sieve and sift in 180 grams of all-purpose flour. Add 1 1/2 teaspoons of baking powder and 1/4 teaspoon of salt, too, and sift it all together so it mixes evenly. Sifting helps break up any flour clumps and keeps the loaf cake light instead of heavy. Once the flour mixture is in, use an electric mixer on low speed just until you do not see dry flour anymore. Stop as soon as the batter looks smooth. If you mix too long here, the cake can turn dense. Next, peel and chop 1 large apple. Something like Granny Smith, Honeycrisp, or Pink Lady works great. Add the apple pieces to the batter, then give it a quick mix just until the chunks are spread through. Next, in a separate bowl, add 110 grams of brown sugar, then add 1 1/2 teaspoons of ground cinnamon. Stir it together for a few seconds until it looks evenly mixed, like cinnamon sugar all the way through. Set it aside for a minute while you get ready to layer the cake. Next, take a 9 by 5 inch loaf pan lined with parchment paper and scoop in half of the batter. Spread it out so it is nice and even. The batter is thick, so just take your time and push it into the corners. Next, sprinkle half of the brown sugar and cinnamon mixture over the cake batter. Try to cover the top evenly, so you get that cinnamon sugar running through the middle of the loaf. Then, take the rest of the batter and spoon it over the cinnamon sugar layer. Spread it out so it covers the cinnamon layer really well, and the top looks fairly even. Now, sprinkle the rest of the brown sugar cinnamon mixture over the top. Try to spread it out so you get a nice, even coating across the whole surface. I also like to give the cake batter a little swirls with a knife. You can use a skewer or a chopstick too. Just drag it through the batter a few times in loose, gentle loops so you get that cinnamon swirl look inside. Bake the apple cinnamon cake in a preheated oven at 175 degrees Celsius, which is 347 degrees Fahrenheit, for 50 to 55 minutes until the top looks golden and set and your kitchen smells absolutely amazing. This apple cinnamon cake tastes warm and buttery, with rich brown sugar and cinnamon that melts into the crumb, plus sweet apple bits that taste almost like little pockets of apple pie. Every bite feels cozy and comforting. The texture is super tender and moist, with soft apple pieces throughout, and the top turns golden with a thin, slightly crisp cinnamon sugar crust that makes the whole slice feel extra special. If you liked this apple cinnamon cake, try my grandma's apple cinnamon crumble cake next here. It smells amazing while it bakes, and it has a little chocolatey twist that makes it feel like a fun change. Check it out now!